Now this is over 52,000 naira right now on this very singular website, right? Now in this video I want to show you how you can make money like this from the internet, from this very website. I'm going to be very plain and straightforward in this video, showing you step by step how I was able to make this money right now in few weeks, right? A few weeks ago I made a video on how to make money online, introducing this website to you and how you can go about it, right? Many of us ignored that video and many of us took advantage of that very opportunity. And right here in this video, in few weeks time, I was able to make 52,000 naira from this very website. Right now in this very video right now, as you can see, my total withdrawal right now on this very platform is 15,632 naira, and my last withdrawal was just 2,000 naira. Right, me making over 52,000 naira is overall more than what I've made on the platform since joining this platform, and even my last withdrawal. Right, this isn't a scam and this is working perfectly. Now to show you that this isn't a scam and this is real money, right, I'm going to refresh this page right now. I'm going to be withdrawing this money right now on this very video, and you're going to be seeing this money right now on my bank account right in this very minute. Right now, this is a platform where we should do simple tasks and you make money from there. But in this video, I'm going to be breaking the code and showing you the secret on how you can make much more money from this website even without doing any tasks. Right, this money right here was made without me doing any single task right on this very platform. So let's head over and withdraw this money right now into my Nigeria bank account. So right here, you're going to click on this very withdraw button right here, click on it, and it's going to take you to where you're going to withdraw your money. Right, you must have already linked your bank account to this very platform to be able to receive your funds. So I'm going to scroll down right now. I'm going to click on withdraw to bank. Let me close this ad. See, these are my past withdrawals on this very platform right now. I have to link my bank account to this very platform. I'm going to click on the bank account I want to link. Let me just type in the account number right here. You have to link your bank account firstly to this very app before you can receive your money into your local bank account. I'll just click on my bank account right here, select my bank, OPay, click on OPay right here, verify my account details. As you can see, this is my bank name. Continue to add account. So I've already had my bank account, so let's go ahead and withdraw this money to my bank. Click on withdraw to bank again, select the bank right now. This is the bank right here. I'm going to click on the money I want to withdraw. Right, as you can see, minimum of 1,000 naira, maximum of 400,000 naira, and service charge is 15%. Right, so I'm going to click on the money I want to withdraw 20,000. Right, let me just withdraw 20,000 naira from this account. Click on withdraw. As you can see right now, hello Norma, withdrawal of 20,000 naira is successful. Your payment will be processed in seconds. Kindly refresh this page to view your withdrawal status. Right, they said the payment will be processed in seconds, so I will just head over to my bank right now to view my payment status. As you can see right now, this is the money right now. 20,000 naira just landed into my bank account in a few seconds. Right, I just made the withdrawal right now and the money just land into my bank account. So you have already seen for yourself that this is a platform that works very well and you can really make actual money from this platform right now. Now this platform works for you if you are living in Nigeria or you're living in Ghana. Right, so I'll be making another video showing you how you can make money from this platform as a Ghanaian. The first thing you have to do is to register on this platform. Once you register on this platform with the link in the description on the comment section, you are having a free account with them. So the next thing to do is to activate your account with just 1,000 naira. Right, this activation fee is a one-time activation fee that will activate your account for life, and you can access all the various benefits on the platform. So once your account is activated, the next thing to do is that you want to add in your social media links by coming to social media right here. Once you are here, you're going to add social media right here. Then you click on social media you want to add. Right, if it's Facebook, Spotify, TikTok, whatever social media platform you want to add, put in the link right here. You are going to follow the simple instructions right here on this very platform. Then you submit your social media account. Follow the instructions. In few hours time, all your social media accounts is going to be successfully verified and linked right on this very platform, of which you are going to be using to make money. And to make money from this platform, you come to tasks right here and you can easily access their task and you can make money from their tasks, and you can view the payment list, or which is the price list of each task and how much they pay right now. So you can see right now, this is the payment list and the price list of each task. Right, so but this is not the main reason for this video, but I'm just showing you the simple basis of making money from this very video. Right, the real way to make money from this platform is whereby you come to your dashboard right now. Right, then you are going to scroll down to get your link, right, which is your referral link. Right, as you can see right now, referral link right here, this is not compulsory at all, but if you want to make real money from this platform, this is the real deal. Right, they say you get 500 bonus if you refer a earner and they activate their account, and you get 0.5% of their deposit if you refer an advertiser, right? So let's dive into the real way to make money from this platform. Now, this is how I made over 52,000 naira from this platform in a few weeks time, right? What I do was that I made a video about this platform on how you can easily make money from this platform by doing simple tasks and inviting people, right? I posted it on my YouTube channel, which got some views, right? And people were interested to join this platform after I showed them how they can go about it. Now, let me break it down for you so that you can make money from this platform. Now, what you have to do is very simple, right? Now, for you to make much money from this platform without doing any simple tasks is that, right? If you have a WhatsApp platform, a Facebook platform, a YouTube platform, you can easily introduce this platform to them, telling them about how they can easily make money from this platform, showing them various ways, right? It can be on a written form or a video form like this, showing them how they can make money from this platform and showing them how they can go about it, right? After them listening to you or reading your article, they will be interested to join this platform. That's where you give them your link to register on this platform. And once they register and activate their account, you have 500 naira right in your account, right? Let's imagine you have a group, a WhatsApp group of over 100 people, or a Facebook group of over 500 people, or a YouTube channel of over 1,000 subscribers, right? You created a content about this very platform or an article about this very platform. You talked about it on your WhatsApp group, Facebook group, telling these people how they can go about it. Let's imagine that 40% of these people were interested in joining this platform, right? They register on this platform, and let's say 20% were able to activate their account and get their account running and start making money, right? 20% from these 100 people is 20 people, right? 20% right there is over 10,000 naira right there. If you continue this process, risk and repeat, driving traffic into your group or driving traffic into your Facebook group or creating more content about this, you're going to be multiplying this money, right? Until you make over 100,000 naira within few weeks or months with this very platform. This is a very simple step of which you can use to make money from this. Now, you don't have a Facebook group, you don't have anybody on your platform. At least you have friends and family on your platform who are interested in making money, right? Post it on your status, on your page, and you have people who will be interested to register on this platform. This is how you can make money from this platform without doing any simple tasks, right? This is a simple method of which you don't have to stress yourself. If you want me to make a consistent video on how you can easily drive traffic to your group, or how you can create a Facebook group, or how you can even talk about this platform on other group, let me know in the comment section. I will create a video on how you can drive traffic, how you can drive free traffic, and get people to register on this platform without breaking your bank or spending any dime, right? Now, if you don't want to go through this method of making money from this platform, you can easily start doing simple tasks, and you also make good cash from this platform, and you can enjoy it for yourself, right? To register on this platform, you check the link in the description of this video or in the pinned comment section. Register right there and activate your account and start enjoying the benefits that comes with this platform, right? So thank you for watching this video. If you want to be seeing more of my videos, subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notifications so that you will never miss a content on this very platform. I have other videos you will enjoy. It will be linked in this video, or you'll be seeing it around this very corner right now in this very video. Like this video is very important. That's the way of telling me thank you. And also drop a comment in the comment section if you find value, and you can go ahead and register with the link in the description of this video. If you want to access that video of which I made that made me this money on this very platform, check it out now. You'll be seeing the video right here, right now. I'll see you right here. Bye for now.